How to ask for a salary raise. Asking for a salary raise is one of the most important professional conversations you can have. It requires preparation, confidence, and timing. A well-planned approach can help you communicate your value effectively and increase your chances of success. 1. Understand your value and timing. Reflect on your achievements, responsibilities, and the measurable impact you've had on your team or organization. Consider factors such as increased workload, new skills acquired, or successful projects completed. Timing is equally crucial. The best moment to ask for a raise is after a major accomplishment, during performance reviews, or when the company is performing well financially. Avoid periods of organizational stress, restructuring, or budget cuts. A well-timed request demonstrates awareness and professionalism. 2. Research market standards. Gather data for salary ranges for your role within your industry. Use reliable sources such as professional associations, job boards, and salary benchmarking platforms. Compare your current compensation with the market average for similar positions, considering experience, education, and location. This research helps you set realistic expectations and provides evidence to support your request. When you present data, you shift the conversation from personal need to objective market value. 3. Prepare a clear business case. Your request should focus on value, not entitlement. Create a concise summary of your accomplishments, emphasizing measurable results such as increased revenue or successful project delivery. 4. Practice your delivery. Confidence and clarity are essential. Practice your pitch aloud, focusing on tone, pacing, and body language. Avoid sounding defensive or emotional. Instead, maintain a calm and professional demeanor. Rehearse potential responses from your manager, including questions or objections. Prepare concise, factual answers that reinforce your case. 5. Schedule a formal meeting. Request a dedicated meeting rather than raising the topic casually. A formal setting signals that you take the discussion seriously. Send a polite message asking for a time to discuss your performance and compensation. During the meeting, maintain professionalism. Begin by expressing appreciation for your role and opportunities. Then transition smoothly into your prepared case. Keep the conversation focused on facts and outcomes rather than personal circumstances. 6. Communicate effectively during the discussion. When presenting your case, be concise and confident. Use positive language and avoid comparisons with colleagues. Frame your request around mutual benefit, how your continued motivation and contribution will support organizational goals. Listen actively to your manager's perspective. If they raise concerns, acknowledge them respectfully and offer constructive solutions. 7. Handle objections gracefully. Not every request results in an immediate raise. If your manager declines, ask for specific feedback on what you can improve or achieve to qualify for a future increase. You can also explore alternative forms of compensation, such as bonuses, flexible work arrangements, or professional development opportunities. 8. Follow up professionally. After the meeting, send a brief thank you message summarizing key points and expressing appreciation for the discussion. This reinforces your professionalism and keeps the conversation documented. If a raise is approved, confirm the details in writing. If not, set measurable goals and revisit the topic at the agreed time. 9. Maintain continuous growth. A salary raise is not just about recognition, it's about sustained performance. Continue to build your skills, take initiative, and align your work with organizational priorities. Document communication. Keep records of emails and messages in case you need to report fraud. Use professional networks. Recommendations from trusted contacts reduce risk. Document your achievements regularly. Keeping a record of completed projects, metrics, and feedback makes future negotiations easier. Continuous improvement ensures that your value remains visible and undeniable. Cultivate confidence and perspective. Confidence is built through preparation and self-awareness. Understand that asking for a raise is a normal part of professional growth, not a confrontation. Even if the outcome isn't immediate, the process itself strengthens your communication skills and professional presence. Each discussion lays the foundation for future success. Salary raise requests require preparation and confidence. Research pay standards, show clear value, and communicate professionally to turn the discussion into growth. A raise request isn't just about pay, it's about affirming your value and marking career growth.